Okay, so I'm doing the Digital Factory 12, using it, and so far it feels more like a performance update than a feature, or I mean, it don't feel like a upgrade. It's more of a, you're buying it because you're getting a little bit of performance. Um, that's pretty much everything else is the same, and you get like one or two little things here and there that wasn't in 11, but it's more of a, to me it's more of a performance update. Print speed, same thing. Colors are coming out the same way. The printer's printing the same speed. It's still doing the same stuff it was doing before. Again, this is just for the 8550. I don't know about the other printers. I know nothing about a DTF machine that was built for DTF. I only know about the conversion ones, and it's the 8550. 15,000 probably gonna do the same exact thing. So I don't see a difference in 12 or 11. I'm using both of them simultaneously. So I'll switch one. I'll use one and I use the other one. I use one and I use the other one. And I don't see a difference. It's working the same way, printing out the same way. The colors are coming out. The video before showed the colors are coming out exactly the same way. Apart from the performance, where 12 seemed to be running a little better than 11 was. So little things like you put an image in and it will load a little faster, or you make little changes and it will load up, it will run quicker. There's one thing I used to do in 11 where I'd put like the amount of print, like for instance, that print count right here. It will, you do it over here, and then the print count wouldn't adjust until you do it and hit enter. Now I just hit it and then it just automatically saves it. It just seems more like a performance upgrade than anything else. That's just my opinion. I don't know what, if Cadlink's going to have something to say about that, but I don't have a clue. I don't know. Again, these people don't know exist. So me, I'm giving you, this is my full, just how I feel about the program. So if you have 11, you don't need 12. If you're just getting in the market, then you might want to buy 12, because 12 has, again, the performance difference. And you get one or two little things that you may or may not use. But the performance part of it is kind of the reason why you want to get 12 over 11. That's my opinion. Alright, so you do you. Peace.